Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change player name in MLB 26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, select create, go to roster control and here select edit player. Now using L2 R2 key you need to choose the team where you'd like to change the player name. In my case that's this one, and the player name I want to change for this player. So we have to select the player whose name we want to change. Go to edit player, here go to general, and right here you will able to change the last name which gonna be onto your jersey, and also you can change the first name. You have to select that and basically you will able to change the name. Let's say I want to change the name to something like Jack. I'll able to change it from here. For some reason you won't be able to see my keyboard because I'm on PlayStation and inbuilt recording don't gonna capture that. Select yes and you can see the first name is now changed. Similarly we can change the last name. This time I'm gonna change the last name to something like Phil. After you change the name you're gonna see window like this. Select yes here and yep, there you go, we have successfully changed the last name and this name gonna be on the jersey as you can see right here. To save the changes we have to hit the option button, select OK, and yep, there you go, we have changed the name of this player. And that's basically how you will able to change player name in MLB 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.